Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. A very reliable tech insider has revealed what the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Ultra will look like in real life. Live hands-on photos and videos of mock-ups of Samsung's future flagships have been published on the network. According to the latest preliminary data, new smartphones will get more rounded corners and slimmer bezels. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. There's still time before the release of the next generation of Samsung flagships, but the veil of secrecy has already been lifted. A close-up of the Galaxy S26 Ultra reveals significant changes to the angular design. Insider Steve Hemmerstoffer, known by the nickname OnLeaks, the leaker has a long track record of creating accurate renders of various smartphones before their announcements. Now, published real photos and videos of mock-ups of the upcoming smartphones, the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Ultra, on the social network X. The leak allows us to examine in detail the design of the new products, which were previously known only from computer renders. Overall, the devices maintain a consistent design, but the camera module is slightly different from the Galaxy S25. Unlike earlier leaks, which showed the camera module painted to match the case, the new mock-ups of the white Galaxy S26 and S26 Ultra feature a silver camera module. The black Galaxy S26 Ultra, however, still features a camera module that matches the back panel. Samsung appears to have applied the same rounded radius to all four corners, just like on the standard Galaxy S26. This change not only provides a more comfortable grip but also creates a unified and consistent design across the entire Galaxy S26 lineup. A look at the bottom reveals a more rounded design, which will also apply to the integrated S Pen, the cap of which is now rounded on one side. These mock-ups are typically used by case manufacturers to prepare accessories and accurately reflect the final dimensions and design of the devices. The large cameras located in the upper left corner are housed in a single, large camera bump, instead of three separate lenses, with thick rings, a camera design similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. These phones are likely non-functional dummies, typically used by accessory makers and leakers. Earlier today, another leaker also commented on supposed upgrades to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra camera. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.